This track is called Sicko Mode.
We already know. Like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
What is going on, guys? Justin Ovio update back again with another video, and today we're coming at you again, the third week of the weekly update. We are not stopping all 2021. We got lots to cover in today's video, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Starting things off, we had Drake post a bunch of stories this week, starting from Valentine's all the way up until now. He's been posting consistently on his stories. Kicking things off, we have this room he showed off. It looks absolutely beautiful with those unreleased OVO Jordan 11 snakeskins. Those definitely do need to drop. The room honestly looks like where he keeps all those Birkins for his future wife, but that room looks crazy. Would definitely like to see what's in there, especially with the Jordan 11s just waiting outside. There's definitely some grails in there. And then of course we had the Valentine's Day photos with the Fendi turtleneck. Man was all dressed up. Of course, still with the heart part in the hair. I wonder if he was out with the girl that night. Did he go out on a date? Was he with Sophie? Who knows, but that was Drake on Valentine's Day. And of course, we still have photos of Drake flexing around the house with the Chrome Hearts beanbag chair, which looks absolutely insane with all the leather patches. We were just talking about Drake in the Chrome Hearts last week, and now he's been rocking the CP company. So if you guys don't know what CP company is, it's almost like a sister brother brand to Stone Island because the designer left to work with CP. Anyways, he's in the CP jacket and hat, very, very nice. Also on Drake's stories was Drake wishing Weeknd a happy birthday. It seems like Drake's always coming at Weeknd, you know, talking to him, posting him, but Weeknd hasn't really doing much posting of Drake, appreciating Drake, or anything going on. I don't know if it seems like that just because of the Super Bowl and then his birthday. Anyways though, I'm glad Drake and Weeknd are friends. Hopefully we get that Ovoxo collaboration very, very soon. Would also love to see a merch collab. So let's keep it rolling. We had the Night Owl Sound Valentine's Day drop. I know I told you guys a little warning in the weekly update from last week that there probably is going to be a drop. And look what happened. Sunday at 12 p.m. we had the Night Owl Sound drop. And honestly, I thought it was going to be a hoodie. With the weather, the winter right now, it seems like it's hoodie season, especially when they gave us the hoodie from Valentine's Day last year, but we just got a t-shirt in the white colorway. Of course, I had to pick one up for myself. Hopefully, you guys secured your size as well because it did sell out, and I want to say around an hour or so. So pretty fast sellout time. Of course, shout out to the boys, Noel and Mark. Definitely doing their thing with Night Owl Sound. Another great successful drop from the two. Lots of things going down on Valentine's Day. We had the Drake related Valentine's Day giveaway where they gave away one of the 10 exclusive Heart Puffer jackets. I know all you guys are going crazy for this jacket. When is it dropping? Is it still dropping? Unfortunately, it is not dropping, but you do have the chance to win. Winners will be announced on February 21st. So here are the instructions on screen how to win. Good luck. And I do see some of you guys tagging me on this post. Pretty funny, guys. Anyways, that is it for the Drake related best of luck. And if you do win this jacket, send it my way. Let me do a review. Come on. Anyways, yo, hopefully you guys take the W. Best of luck with this jacket. Moving right along, we had the 6-year anniversary of If You're Rain This Is Too Late. We had 17 songs on the mixtape, and if you were to tell me to pick one song, I couldn't tell you because all of them are straight bangers from Legend, 6 p.m. to New York, Star 67. Star 67 is definitely my top 3, but no telling, 10 bands. This mixtape is the reason why we call Drake the GOAT. Back-to-back bangers, Travis Scott, Lil Wayne. Let me know down below what's your favorite song on the album if you could choose one, or maybe give me your top 3. But nonetheless, shout out to the GOAT, shout out to 40, shout out to everyone who worked on this mixtape because it is truly a classic. Alright y'all, and last but not least, we have the OVO drop for tomorrow, February the 19th. Kicking things off from Los Angeles, the first photo grabbed my attention right away with that trucker hat, the October's very own with the pom-pom monograms on it. Super fire, and honestly, this is probably going to be my first OVO cop from this year. I hope to see other colorways as well, not just the black. So definitely stay tuned to next week. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like if it ships in time. But we got the grid hoodie with the orange, not my favorite. We got the crew necks, and look in the back there, we have the script hoodie in red. You guys know I have the gray one, and they dropped the black and green last year. The red one, very nice, so I assume we're gonna see a red hat as well. We got those crew necks, looks kind of boring. So we then have a t-shirt with the grid logo as well. Again, not my favorite logo, but the last slide, we have the pants in a different colorway, the khaki colorway. Very nice. Again, I said this before, that pant material and the sweatshirt material with that script is unbeatable. So that is honestly the main reason why you should consider this week's drop, because the quality on those sweatsuits alone are very, very nice. I'm gonna grab mine just to show you the quality and the details. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is my script hoodie from last year's drop. If you get real close, you can see all the details. Getting close and personal, you guys can see the beautiful embroidery. Again, with this amazing heavyweight cotton. I kind of honestly went on a story rant when this came out, telling you guys, I was like, yo, Ovio needs to keep pushing out hoodies with this material, because it honestly makes the other hoodies look like a joke in quality. If you compare the Scully hoodie to this, the Scully hoodie looks like the Walmart version, I promise you. From the drawstrings with the metal around it, just the way it fits in general. The fit is so good. Again, take a look at the cuffs. I usually fold mine like this. If any of you guys have the OG Ovio hoodies, it was kind of like a little hidden thing where you'd always fold the cuff in half. So shout out to Ovio again for using these hoodies. Hopefully we get some more designs on them in the future. You guys also may be wondering what happened to my Instagram. It got taken down again for the same reasons. So I'm reaching out to the same people who helped me last time to get it back. Hopefully that will be all in place very soon. But thank you guys for watching today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know some of you guys have seen the hat I've been rocking lately in my Instagram, in the videos, man. Stay true to yourself, live your raps, and no one else's. We out. Peace.